InShot versus Canva comparison, which is better. So hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So in this video I'm going to talk about InShot versus Canva comparison. So first of all, the in video is mainly used for video creation and editing, and on the other hand the video templates are 5,000 plus professional video templates and AI script to video, auto voiceovers, and it's beginner friendly video editing, and it supports up to 1080p free and 4K for paid plans. And InShot is high for video workflows, and free plus pro from $15 per month is the pricing, and best for YouTube marketing videos and ads. On the other hand, the Canva is a all-in-one design, graphics plus video editor, and it's a good selection but fewer pro video tools it has. And it has AI image tools, magic design, text to video, and it's extremely easy for all content types, and it supports 1080p max for most users, and high for design, moderate for video. And it has free plus pro from $12.99 per month subscription as the pricing, and it's better for social posts, presentations, basic videos. So I'll suggest you to choose in video if InShot if your main focus is video content, especially for YouTube ads or reels. And you can choose Canva if you need versatile design tools with light video editing included. So that's it for this video guys. See you on the next one.